I'll get my revenge on you, dude. I'm gonna punch you. Wait, what? Not again. Wait. Wee! I'm the strongest man in this world. Woo! Yay! Okay, I'm gonna tell you about the new Shadowhunters. Upgrade them to a bigger level. More than stronger than any, actually not any hero. He's stronger than any other hero, actually, yeah. His storyline, I don't have a storyline, so some of this gear goes on him. See, he got this. So, he has his own belt. Yeah, oh my god. Okay, yeah. His own belt there. Let me put it on. Put that. Put this. Then put this. Okay, done. These are cool though. I like how I made his new upgrade. But now I'm gonna be him. So not my old character I used to have. Not him. I'm going to be this guy. Seriously. And I wish. I hope. Spy vs. Spy Kid gets this. Because I want to join his team. I did put on his guns too. I'm just gonna put it on his belt. So. Okay. I'm gonna put all his weapons actually. Look like a Chaos Master maybe or something. Chaos baby, I don't know. It could be that. If this Spy Kid watching, you don't have to put his weapons, mate, or if you want to, because he's very strong. So he might don't need his weapons because he's very strong, but he needs the guns for long range. But sometimes he can do this, like he just do this, but not touch them or anything, and then like a few seconds, like 1 second, and it blows them away, like. And he's very strong in the team. He goes in dangerous missions, more dangerous than Hero Factories. So yeah, his hero course right here. Yeah, he fixed this. Whatever. So here, put the leg, thing towards, just put that. And he still has back guard, and you see that thing over there. And let me show you this part here. And this might be for Hero Factory Kid tip for the old video. I don't know. So yeah. I don't know if I should make a storyline. His storyline was he used to be the Shadow of Evil, but now he isn't. Then he grew up in a place where it was very dark, obviously, because shadows would live there. His family was very rich, and yeah. But then they got attacked by something, and yeah, guess that's it. Wait, no. Then he found Hero Factory, and he thought Hero Factory was attacking his family. So yeah. Then soon, like 5 years ago, he joined Hero Factory and found who destroyed his family and destroyed the person who destroyed his family or something like that. Yeah. So he agreed to join Hero Factory as a contract too. So he became a leader. He saw his skills. He said he didn't need training because he already trained before. And that's it. Well, bye.